Welcome again friends sa Kusina Sarangani. Today mamamasyal tayo sa Caribbean kasi magluluto tayo ng ating jerk rub bangus belly with mango and mint sauce. Wow, sounds good ha? Umpisahan na natin. Okay, ang first step natin is we're making the sauce. So we have very ripe mangoes na chinop na natin into small cubes. And then meron tayong mint leaves, okay? So this is our mint leaves. And then meron tayong red chopped onions, okay? Ilalagay din natin. And then lemon juice or calamansi juice, okay? Yan. Ang gagawin natin dito, paghahalu-haluin lang natin siya. So imimix lang natin all together, okay? Wala siyang asin or paminta. It's actually a very sweet sauce. But kung gusto nyong medyo chunky na ganito yung inyong mixture, we call it a salsa, no? Ako personally, I like it this way. Pero kung gusto nyo ng medyo smooth and liquid yung inyong mango mint, pwede nyong ilagay sa food processor and then i-process nyo for a few seconds hanggang maging smooth siya, and you would call it a mango mint sauce. Okay, so we will set this aside while we prepare our fish. Okay, so yung ating rub, we call it actually a jerk rub, no? So jerk rub is something like, you know, chicken barbecue in Jamaica. Yan. So bawat sulok at bawat kanto, meron kayong nakikita nagje-jerk rub. Chicken naman yung kanila. But it's a good idea to use it also for your bangus. So, ang spices natin gagawin dito, we have paprika, okay? That's paprika over here. And then we have curry powder right here. And then we have nutmeg, okay? That's nutmeg. And then we have cinnamon right here. And then red cayenne pepper, okay, to give it that nice heat. A little bit of salt, pepper, and yung ating sugar. So what we're going to do is really mix all the spice, no? So we actually call this a spice rub, no? Yung mga dahon na to, this is dried thyme, okay? So imi-mix lang natin to very, very well. So para evenly distributed yung lahat ng ating spices and sugar, salt and pepper, okay? And then what we have here is our bangus belly, okay? So what we're going to do is just yun lang, no? Both sides but very, very lightly. Yan, spread lang natin dito. So, and this will actually be absorbed quickly, no, by our bangus. So this is actually a very, very nice recipe. Okay, so we allow this to stand for about mga 2 to 3 minutes, no, so that the flavors permeate, no, doon sa bangus. So we're going to heat a little bit of oil, no, and then we're going to fry this. Pan fry lang siya. Normally a jerk rub meat, no, would be cooked over coals, grilled, no, or barbecued or even broiled, no. But you can also pan fry it. So kung wala kayong oven or hindi kayo makapag-ihaw, so you can actually do a pan frying, and it actually goes well. Perfect with fish kasi very convenient siya at madaling maluto at madaling i-prepare. Okay, so we're going to pan fry skin side down first sa hot oil. Yan. Wow, ang bango. I can smell yung yung cinnamon, ang bango-bango. So hanggang mag-crisp lang ng konti yung ating skin, and then that's about mga 1.5 minutes and then we're going to turn it. So we're going to flip it once again. So makikita nyo yung skin side. This is what we're actually looking for. Yung ating mga spices na toast na, no? Nag-release ng kanyang flavor. And of course, yung aroma. Kung maaamoy nyo lang, no? It's very, very nice. The aroma is so enticing and so appetizing, no? Pati yung oil, makikita nyo, medyo nag-change ng color, no? So, kinrisp up ko lang yung skin niya sa bottom. And now, what we're going to do is lift this up and we can actually put it on our plate. Ito. So, yung plate natin, usually, ang mga Jamaican dishes, they like rice with beans, no? And then, ito yung ating mango mint salsa. So, I'm going to put it here. So, this is our jerk crab bangus belly with mango mint sauce or salsa. Wasn't that an exciting dish? At syempre, very colorful at masarap. Subukan nyo sa bahay. For more recipes and kitchen tips, visit us on Facebook and Instagram at Kusina Sarangani. Hashtag is the best!